about the roads is that they don't travel light.
No, we don't. So good at this. Ready? All right. We made it to the bounce house section. And just waiting in line for the toxic rush, apparently.
So Mandy and the other kids are at the bouncy house. We are currently looking for some food truck food, some dessert, ice cream, candy, I don't know what. Parker, what are you feeling right now? He just wants something good. I mean, that's usually what I say. We got Party Hog, barbecue, Burger Republic. That's hilarious. We just had dinner. Dude, you said you wanted dessert, not burgers.
They have shakes.
They don't make. They don't bring their shake machine here. So there's this place called Burger Republic, which I don't know if they're out of Nashville, but they do have really good milkshakes. I'm gonna give you a quick. There's the food truck right there. Burger Republic representing. Yeah. So anyway, we're gonna take a look what they got.
Can I do it?
Here they go. Hey Sloan, I have a feeling you're gonna conquer this better than them. What do you think, Ninja Warrior?
Okay, you can go, buddy. Okay, you can go.
You wanna go? Do you wanna? No, she doesn't wanna go.
Okay, who's next?
Like 7, 8. All right, let's go this way.
Alright, so we have decided on these Oreo. Alright, so we have these Oreo ice cream sandwiches. No, I'm sorry, donut ice cream sandwiches. And he's right, we do gotta hurry. We got one for Mandy. They're getting ready to melt.
I think it's already melted.
You eat. You go and take some bites. So, first time donut ice cream sandwich. Hopefully this is good. I mean, you really can't go wrong with that, right? Yummy. Once you take a bite of that, it's already melted. You better hurry up.
You just have to take off the donut.
You wanna try it?
You already take off the donut. He wants the ice cream, not the donut.
So here we are sharing a seat together because, you know, the dad carries everything, and yet I don't even get my own seat.
Hey, that was your choice. We're getting videoed by our neighbors. I gave you the choice. I was like, someone's gonna have to go without a chair. One chair had to stay back.
But you saw me carrying our daughter and all the pulling the chairs like a. Dad, strong dad.
I offered to carry her.
Like strong dad competition.
Come rescue you.
Yeah, Grant had to rescue us. He had to start pulling the cart. So now we're
in a dark place. It was like you pulled like 12 feet. It was pretty bad. I was in a dark
You
place.
see how far we parked, you're gonna feel really sorry for him. I just don't think this chair right here is working out when it's 97 degrees.
Your legs are like on fire right now. I swear I could cook bacon on those. Sizzling. Hopefully you're wearing deodorant tonight.
No, I'm not.
Last
I
night.
am just natural.
So stinky.
Have you switched to natural deodorant, or do you do natural deodorant? Natural deodorant? Oh. Yeah, I just started, so apparently it's not working well.
I mean, we're like cavemen natural.
No, I mean maybe yesterday I forgot deodorant,
Like,
I don't know.
I mean, are you just rubbing like tree bark underneath your armpits?
Also, yesterday I probably hadn't had a shower in a few minutes.
Mom, I haven't showered since.
That could have been it.
I would put those
I
armpits.
know all the moves now.
Put the armpits down.
Put your hand over the camera. Because Mom, after 1 minute it does 59, 48. At 1 minute.
How much time do we got?
57 seconds.
57 seconds. Woo!
again. 10. Oh! So far, the fireworks are a hit. What do you think, babe?
I like it. I like too that it's not all the way dark. We should do this.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? Like you can
Yeah.
actually see what you're lighting.
Yeah.
The last few guys, I feel like we're gonna die.
Less of a fire hazard.
Yeah.
Let's go back to the show.
Somehow they all went off at crazy. It's like an atomic bomb. It looks wild.
Wow. What do everybody think of the fireworks?
They're okay.
Okay.
Hard to please this one.
Yeah, I'll
That
say.
was like really, really good. Like so long.
Yeah.
Nella, what'd you think?
What'd you think of the fireworks, sweetheart?
Yeah.
Woo!
Too loud.
Too loud. It was loud, but it was
Too
awesome.
loud. And all someone wants to do is go to Dairy Queen.
I like what you
We want Dairy Queen, Andy's, because food trucks wasn't enough.
We didn't get food truck.
But that was your fault.
Go to the back.
So we made it home from the fireworks. Got some Chick-fil-A.
I can't taste this ice cream.
Half our family is, actually more than half our family is sick right now, but we got some ice cream. Some tasteless ice cream.
They don't have fevers. Like don't act
Like-
And I have a cough.
They have like colds and stuff. Yeah.
It's like one of those
I
things
don't
that's gonna
have
linger.
colds in the summer.
We have the bird
And I
flu.
have a cough.
You have a cough? Let me hear your cough. Yeah. Wow. Yeah.
Daddy, didn't I cut my nails?
You cut your nails? I know.
Get on that, Daddy.
I know. I gotta make your nails pretty, huh? What's up, hot mama?
Stop. Oh, please don't put that in the video. It's so weird.
Do it to me.
Like my cellulite.
Do it to me.
Hot mom. Look, making your to-do list for tomorrow.
Yeah, just go on. Don't want you to read this. Get out. Just eating my nuggets, okay?
Wait. All right.
Do it to me.
Do it to you.
Nella wants all the attention. Give it to her. Oh wait, your cookies are in here. Oh, you really need cookies, Daddy.
I'm not having those tonight.
He's not having those. That's good because he already had a donut with ice cream in the middle of it. What? No, I'm talking about your dad.
Hey, Nella, can you say like this video and subscribe with your mouth full?
God, Subscribe. Oh yeah.
Can you go? Just like that. I'll say peace out.
Peace out.
Peace out.